Hello and welcome to an overview of the Smarter Workspace. At Smarter, we offer a data-driven talent management solution. Today, we will walk you through how to give feedback and review a training class on mobile interface. Let's get started. Once your trainer shows the QR code to review the class, use your phone to scan it and you will be directed to the Smarter Workspace website. Log into your account, and now you're in the class interface. Scroll down and there are standardized questions to provide feedback for the training. On a scale of 10, rate your class experience with the relevant criteria. You can leave any comments for further improvement in the comment box right here. Once you finish, select Submit and your feedback has been recorded. That's it for this product update video. If you find this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos.